Pansit Puti ingredients, we're gonna use celery stalks. This is about 3 stalks. Hiniwalay ko yung dahon from the stalks. And then we're gonna use 1 medium-sized onion. We sliced it thinly. And then for our main vegetable, this is the green onions. Ito yung lower part na malapit sa ugat. I separated the lower part from the top part. Ito yon. And then we have Baguio beans. This is also sliced diagonally or the same way as we sliced our green onions. And then our celery stalks. We also sliced this thinly and diagonally. And then lastly, we have our chopped garlic. So for our Pansit Puti, we're gonna use white and green colored vegetables. For our meat, we have chicken gizzard sliced thinly. Chicken heart, I sliced it into half and then nilinis ko siya. Kasi minsan may dugo-dugo pa sa gitna. And then we have chicken liver, which is gonna be our main flavor for our Pansit Puti. Other ingredients would be sesame oil that is added towards the last part of our cooking. And then we have our main panggisa, which is we're gonna use canola oil. For our noodles, we're gonna use Sapporo vermicelli, or this is your glass noodles or SOTANGHON. I use this brand because it's really premium quality. And then what I do prior to cooking, binababad muna natin siya into tap water. Okay, so para mag-soften yung noodles natin. Let's start cooking our Pansit Puti by first adding our oil and garlic into our pan and sauteing it until the oil is infused with garlic flavor. And then we add our chicken gizzard. It's a tough part of the chicken, so that's why I sliced it thinly. And at the same time, malansa ito. So we really need to make sure na ma-absorb niya yung garlic flavor natin para mawala yung lansa. Okay, next we're gonna add the chicken heart. As you can see, grayish na yung gizzard bago ko nilagay ito. So the same way as I cook the heart, I wait for it to turn gray before I add the liver. So I've added the liver now, and we just continue sauteing this until our meats are cooked. I really wanted na it's cooked all the way through before we even add water. I added now 1 teaspoon of rock salt, but you can also use iodized. And then I added about 3/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. So at this point, nakikita na natin na medyo na-fry na siya ng konti. So this is the look of the meat that you want para talagang lutong-luto siya and tender. I'm adding water into our pan or wok. So this is about 2 cups of water. And then we're gonna flavor it further with fish sauce or patis. So that's the reason why this is called Pansit Puti, because we're not using soy sauce into our recipe. So depende na to sa panlasa nyo guys, okay? So at this point, we start adding our vegetables, starting with Baguio beans, our celery stalks, and then our white onion and the white part of our spring onions. So pakuluan lang natin ito. Let it simmer for about 5 minutes I didn't add yet our celery and green onions at this point because I added towards the end of the cooking para medyo may crispiness pa siya and crunch pa siya. We are going to finally add our sotanghon or glass noodles, guys. So, mabilis na lang to. Once you see all of the liquid is gone, inabsorb na ng noodles, luto na siya. And then, you add now your celery and green onions. I wasn't able to take a video at this point because I was using 2 hands while I was mixing. So, pag nag-wilt na yung celery and yung green onions, turn the fire off and then patakan nyo na siya ng sesame oil and then mix it further. So, there you go. This is our finished product. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know your comments down below. Share this video with your friends and family and subscribe to my channel. You can also tap the bell notification so every time that I post a new video, you'll get notified. Alright, thank you guys for watching and until next time.